Professor Bambang, first of all, I'd like to say thank you very much that you come in us, and we are really happy to see you in St. Petersburg. Several times we visited your campus in Indonesia, and today for me it's a great day because you are here in St. Petersburg. And of course, my first question is, can you say some words about St. Petersburg, HSE? What was your first impression?
First of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. Anna, for having me here in HSE in St. Petersburg. It's a great honor for me to receive your invitation. We arrived and then we went for city tour yesterday. It was amazing city. It was a very beautiful city. I like some kind of old city, and St. Petersburg have all of this, so it's really breathtaking for me to see the beautiful city of St. Petersburg. And then the afternoon, I guess yesterday we have the event here in the university, and the people here is very warm, very
like in
welcoming.
Indonesia.
Yeah, just like Indonesia. I just feel like in Indonesia is very warm. It was surprising for me to see everyone is very welcome.
Thank you very much for your
Yeah.
kind words. It's very important for us to hear such a feedback from your side, because ITS for us is a very important partner. Your university was the first place where we established our representative office, and we are really proud of this fact. And now this is a very successful story how two universities can help each other to launch new projects. And I know that for ITS, international partnerships and collaboration is a very important part of developing your university. Can you say more about your concept of internationalization? Why it's very important for you, and which idea you follow when you develop this side of your university?
I know our world right now is like a borderless country, so there's no border between countries. Therefore, I think it's very important to us, not only for the lecturer, but also for the student, to know more about other people, to know more about education in different countries. So therefore, we encourage our lecturer, our student, and even our staff to go overseas to have international exposure. ITS is very active in having collaboration with overseas partners such as university or research institute. The idea is for sure to improve the collaboration such that our research, our education can also be improved by having colleagues from international environment. And for the student, it's going to be their experience, one life experience, and their life to be able to go overseas and also to study abroad. It's, I guess, for us, many of us, the lecturer has the experience of study abroad. I went to Birmingham for my master's degree, and I went to Canada for my PhD, and it was a great experience for us. Therefore, we encourage the student as well to have this kind of experience, and therefore, when they come back and they try to build our country, they will have a lot more perspective in terms of other country, in terms of other education, in other words.
How it helps us to overcome some challenges which we now meet, I mean, universities, AI, or some social problems, and how globalization of education and global partnerships helps your university to overcome different challenges.
Yeah, we realized that a lot of people expert overseas that we may be able to learn together. We might be able to work together to do research or to improve our knowledge in terms of whatever the case that we are going to solve, and therefore having partners from overseas is going to for sure increase or enrich our knowledge for the subject that we are going to learn. We also actively invite prominent scholar, like we have you to teach our student for several times. We have also another professor from many different universities to come and teach our student, and also to share with our lecturer in terms of how to write a good proposal, how to write a good paper, how to do research together, etc. And we have a lot of collaboration with partners in terms of research together, and also we have so many young professors that help us in developing our education and our research. So that's why I say it's very important to have partners from anywhere in the world, especially for the prominent universities just like HSE in St. Petersburg.
Thank you. And my final question, of course, about our collaboration. Has it changed some views of our collaboration? Maybe you will find already some topics which can be interested, like new topics, or maybe you see some opportunities in topics which we have already had between us. What do you think about how we can improve our collaboration, how we can increase number of topics? If you don't have an answer, you can say that I don't have answer.
Yeah, I know we've been working together for the past few years, and I know the HSE probably one of the few universities that has office in ITS. Really great and really grateful for us to have you in ITS. And we have sent several students here, and we have received also several students from HSE to join our short program in ITS. And also, I think we sent few of our students for double degree here in HSE. And I guess it's a good experience, very good experience for them. And when they come back to ITS and they share their experience here, and hopefully it's going to increase the our student to want to come to HSE. We have the double degree program for undergraduate program, and I guess we can also enlarge to other departments that we may have and you have here. And since we know that you have offer so many study program that has something in common with our study program. So hopefully other department can also have a collaboration with you guys. And on top of that, again, we would like to ask and invite the prominent scholar to be able to come and becoming a young professor, or we can do a joint research or a joint collaboration on supervision for our master or PhD degree. I guess that's the thing that we can go along the way to strengthen our collaboration.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Thank you for your time and you again that you come in us.
Okay, thank you for the hospitality and thank you for having us here.